All right, this is kind of crazy. Check out this new technology. It is a THC breath analyzer. So when you got the ride program is what it's called around here, and they're checking out to see if you've been drinking.
Yep.
When you're driving, it's like the flashing lights, and you drive through, and they're like, "You got anything to drink there, sir?" Mm-hmm. And Willie Doo's like, "Oh, officer, I had one beer. It was a long time ago."
Yeah.
And then they're like, "Step out of the vehicle, please." No.
I gotta do my ABCs.
No, Willie Doo's very responsible. He says, "No, officer, me drinking? You kidding me? I'm working. I'm busy."
Yeah.
And the officer's like, okay, have a nice evening. Anyway, they can just, they have a breathalyzer, right? We've all seen these things. It's a way they can tell how much you've had to drink. Now, apparently, this company here, Cannabix Technologies, has developed something similar except for THC, which I didn't even know was possible. I don't know how accurate it's going to be. Apparently, they've been testing. Their testing is ongoing, focused on training the device's machine learning database, determining sensitivity ranges, and improving user and administrator experience. This is a press release from the company. The THCBA has been built to provide easy-to-understand screen prompts for the positive and negative detection of A9-tetrahydral cannabinol, which is THC, the psychoactive component of marijuana that causes impairment in breath and can be administered with limited training. What is it? Oh. That causes impairment in breath. Causes impairment in breath? Oh, I guess, yeah, your breath, there's some sort of alteration that takes place. So complicated stuff. Studies have shown that breath is a better indicator of impairment than saliva, blood, or urine because THC is present in breath for a relatively short period of time, 1 to 3 hours, whereas it is excreted at detectable levels in other body fluids for many hours, days, or even weeks. So this short time period detection in breath aligns with the peak impairment window. Wow. Never knew. I never knew that this was going to be a thing. But now that you're having legalization of marijuana in so many districts, so many places, states, there's the conversation about it happening in the U.S. nationally. Is it legal here nationally? It is, right? Is that Ontario or is that across the country? I think it's national, man. Will, we should know this. I think it's legal across the country. That's my bet right now. I could be wrong. Legal age to buy cannabis in Quebec. Legalization. Cannabis in Canada is legal for recreational medicinal purposes. Okay, yes. All right. So anyway, you got a demand for devices like this. Law enforcement, I guess, to try to figure out what kind of state you're actually in when you're behind the wheel of a motor vehicle. Well,
yep.